Are you struggling with debt or have bad credit? Are you lost when it comes to managing your money? Are you worried about not having the ability to save for retirement? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the channel for you. I'm Don Golden, founder and CEO of Fresh Start for Life. Fresh Start for Life is a network of consumer bankruptcy attorneys from around the country. And we do two things. First, we help people get out of debt. And then we teach them how to rebuild their credit after their bankruptcy. We teach them how to manage their money and save for retirement. Since 2019, over 25 people have enrolled in our credit rebuilding course called Rebuild Your Credit, Rebuild Your Life. Students who follow the advice and instructions we give in the course are usually able to get their credit scores back to 700 within 12 to 24 months of their discharge in bankruptcy. This is just one example of how we help people deal with their finances. Now, we have some great content planned for this channel, and although we are all bankruptcy lawyers, I want to assure you that not all the content that we bring to you on this channel will be about bankruptcy. We want to focus on all aspects of personal finance. We also want to talk about the things that you want to hear about. So if you have questions or topics you would like to learn more about, please post them in the comments below. Tell us how we can help you get ahead on your personal financial journey. Please also like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be sure not to miss any of our future content. I'd also like to invite you to follow us on our other social media platforms. I look forward to talking to you in the next video.